Sweet. And I just like to thank the people who subscribed, because I checked my email this morning and I saw the 2 subscriptions. I was like, oh my gosh, I was so excited. And yeah. Okay, so the first couple questions are gonna be pretty like well, pretty shallow really, kinda not a whole lot of substance to them, because I just wanna like get people into like, you know, being comfortable with answering these questions. Because believe me, I have a couple already planned out. Like, I'm a planner person. So the first question is going to be, what are you going to do this summer? See? Simple enough. So now for your response, you can leave it in the comments, in the video responses. You can, if you want, just email your... Okay, so here's some just housekeeping. My sister started, who is actually one of the people who was helping me out doing this. So it is kind of like Vlog Brothers, but with sisters. Not really. So my sister started a LiveJournal community. So if you have LiveJournal, it's the number 1 question a week at .livejournal.com. So if you want to join that, there's also something on the Ning. She told me, but I haven't been able to find it yet. I am on the Ning. So if you want to look me up, I'm there. What else was there? There's something else. See, I even have to question myself. Thank you for your comments, and thank you for your video responses, and this is going to be made of awesome. It's going to be so cool. I'm so excited.